Good morning, hope everybody's alright out there. It's a beautiful day here. It's, where was it, like later on in August, and I'm doing a distance test on this. It's a wild field. It's supposed to be a park, but it's pretty well overgrown, pretty much all the way over till you get a bit further in, then it gets into the blackberry and scratchy things. Cause I lost the drone here. I flew it for about 4 minutes and spent the rest another 2 hours looking for it. Luckily I'd recorded it on the screen, so I was able to get some coordinates. Anyhow, so this is where we're going. This is a beautiful park, isn't it? It's a big, really big park. It's over 300 meters long, I'm sure.